Numerator and Denominator.
In the fraction 3 by 5, 3 is called the numerator and 5 is called the denominator. The denominator tells the total number of parts of whole and the numerator tells the number of parts taken.
Equivalent fractions.
Observe the diagrams shown below. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Since the fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 all represent the same part of the bar, we can say that all these fractions name the same number. This can be expressed as 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. These are called equivalent fractions.
Circle. It is divided into 3 equal parts. One part of the circle is colored. The shaded portion represents 1 by 3. Circle. It is divided into 6 equal parts. 2 parts of circle are colored. The shaded portion represents 2 by 6. If we compare both circles, then we find that 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6.
Remember, we can obtain equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number except 0. So 3 equivalent fractions are 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12. Similarly, we can also find the equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator of the fraction with same number except 0.